Do you love pancakes but feel like you can't eat them too often because of all the carbohydrates in them? Then stay tuned, because today I am sharing with you how to make the easiest healthy Greek yogurt pancakes, which are rich in protein without all the carbs. So stay tuned. Hey everybody, Erin here with Healthy Mom, Happy Family, and I'm so happy to have you join me here today. Today I am talking with you about pancakes, because I love pancakes in the morning, and I am sure many of you do too. But the thing with pancakes, if you've ever noticed this, is if you eat this large stack of pancakes, you don't necessarily feel that great after eating them all. Plus, you're hungry again in like an hour. And that's because most traditional pancakes are rich in refined carbohydrates, those carbs that digest really rapidly in our body, so we don't really feel very satisfied for a long period of time. And if you have diabetes or you're trying to manage your blood sugar, when you eat a large amount of refined carbohydrate at one time, it spikes your blood sugar, which can leave you feeling kind of sluggish and just not at your best. So today I wanted to share with you one of my favorite recipes. I make this all the time in my house, and these are incredibly easy Greek yogurt pancakes. What I love about this is you get the same incredible pancake look and feel. They're fluffy, they're delicious, but they have no refined carbohydrate, only whole grain. They're lower in overall carbohydrate as well as being higher in protein. So they really help you to feel satisfied for a longer period of time. And I think you're gonna love how easy they are to make too. So who wants to get started and make some of the most delicious pancakes you've ever had, which are also better for you too? Are you ready? All right, so this is all you need to make these easy Greek yogurt pancakes. You need Greek yogurt, shocker, I know, who need Greek yogurt. Plain, I usually go with plain. If you want to use vanilla Greek yogurt, that's fine. Just look at the label, try to choose brands that don't have a large amount of added sugar. And if you prefer more of a vanilla flavor and you're using plain Greek yogurt, you can always do a pinch of vanilla extract as well. Then we're gonna need a little bit of baking powder. We need a flour, and so for this I usually use oat flour. It's just a great whole grain, has a lot of fiber in it, but you could use whole wheat flour too. If you're using whole wheat flour, try to go with whole wheat pastry flour versus just regular whole wheat flour. It's a little lighter and fluffier, which kind of works better when you're making a pancake recipe. And then of course we need an egg to hold it all together. So you're gonna be amazed at how quick and easy this is. Okay, this is almost as easy as those pancake mixes you just add water to. It pretty much doesn't take much more time than that, but it's a lot more nutritious for you as well. So I'm gonna start with the liquid ingredients. So I'm gonna put my egg in the bowl, and I'm gonna put the Greek yogurt in, and then you're just gonna mix them together, all right? So the key here is the more you mix this, and the more you kind of aerate it a bit, the fluffier your pancakes become. So I'm mixing it up here. Show you what that looks like. Let's see there, okay? So real nice mix. Then we're just gonna simply add in our dry ingredients. So baking powder, flour, and we mix it up. Do it slow first so the flour doesn't fly everywhere, and then I'm gonna hold it up for you to see. Okay, so you can see mixing the batter here. And this right here creates your pancake batter. Now, I will tell you that one of the things I find with this recipe sometimes, when you're trying to put the Greek yogurt into the bowl, it can stick to the bowl a little bit, and maybe you don't get quite as much as you were hoping for in the recipe. So every once in a while, if you find, like right here, I'm gonna show you, it's a little bit thicker than I would like. Now you can use it thick and you can make a nice fluffy pancake. It just takes a little bit longer in the pan to cook. So if you find it's a little thick, like I'm showing you right here, it's just a little thicker than I would usually like, you can add a tablespoon or two of water. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit of water here, put in, I'm gonna show you how quickly this thins out. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little water in here, and it really does not change the recipe at all. It just allows you to make it a little thinner. Now what I would say is when you're adding the water, you do it gradually, 1 tablespoon at a time, because you don't want to put so much in that then it becomes too liquidy. And generally 1 to 2 tablespoons is all you need to get a really nice batter consistency. And like I said, it's your preference, because I have made them thick too, and they're delicious. It just takes a little bit longer when you're cooking them on the pan. All right, so here I'm gonna show you with that water added, we have the perfect pancake consistency. See that right there? All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna heat up the stove, I'm gonna get the pan ready, I'm gonna show you how quick these cook up and how fluffy and delicious they are to eat. You're gonna love it. Okay, so I cooked up all those pancakes on the stove. They come out so fluffy, so delicious. I'm gonna hold them up so you can really see now that they're all prepared. These really look no different than your traditional pancake. And I would argue they're actually a little bit fluffier, if you see there, a little fluffier, but they taste and look just like a pancake. However, per pancake, if we're comparing them to traditional pancake recipes, you are saving 19 grams of carbohydrate per pancake. That is a huge savings, especially if you eat multiple pancakes when you're trying to manage blood sugar. On top of that, these contain fiber and protein, two nutrients that help to slow down digestion so they keep blood sugar more steady during the day, and they also help to keep your energy levels steady. We know protein and fiber keep us full longer too. So when I eat this stack of pancakes, I actually feel like I ate breakfast. I feel satisfied for a long period of time. If I was just to eat the traditional pancakes, I'll tell you, I'm gonna be hungry again in an hour. So these pancakes, you can see how easy they are to make, better for you, better for glucose management, and I think you're gonna love them. So I wanna hear from you. Let me know if you try these easy Greek yogurt pancakes. I want you to comment below and let me know what you thought and if you loved them just as much as we do. And also let me know if you have another recipe for pancakes you love to enjoy that is a little bit maybe lower in carbohydrate that helps to manage your blood sugar. I'd love to hear about it and try it out too. And if you liked today's video and recipe, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss new recipes, tips, or tricks. Thank you so much for joining me here today.